Hi everyone, I just received my Odinlake Ergonomic office chair and I'm super excited to put it together and start to assemble the office in my house, and this should be a really great piece that will be comfortable and perfect for my desk. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and assemble the chair and let you know how it is to put together and how comfortable it is, and take a look. Okay, so that took me maybe about 5-10 minutes to unpack. I got everything unwrapped. It was really wrapped very well with styrofoam and bubble wrap and tape. So just a pair of scissors and I was able to unwrap everything. Looks like it's in great condition and I can't wait to go ahead and put it together. So I'm going to use the manual that was packed with the bottom of the chair, and that was inside there. Assembly instructions. Looks like we have tools right over here. Everything that you should need to put it together. It's a little explanation of the nuts, the bolts, armrest, base, cylinder. It looks like I have everything in the package that I'm going to need. So I'm going to start with step one, putting the base together, attaching the bottom of the chair. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. Nice diagrams, easy to follow. That's always very helpful. And some frequently asked questions, just in case we have some issues putting it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and see how easy it is. Right, so the chair is basically put together. I just have to add the base. I just wanted to point out that you will have a few extra screws and bolts. It says right in the direction that they have one of everything that's extra. So just be aware that you are going to end up with a few extra pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the final step, which is putting the base of the chair onto the top. And so slide this over. Line it up. And the chair is pretty heavy, which is great because that means that it's sturdy, but you might need help with somebody with this part. It is a little heavy, but there we go. Slides right on, and it looks like it's ready to go. Okay, so here is the finished assembled chair. I'm just going to take a look at the different features. So the armrests do come in and out. So there's just a button on the side here. You can raise it up or down as you'd like. You can also pull them out a little bit more. It spins really smoothly all the way around. Here's that nice ergonomic design in the back. You can raise and lower the headrest as well. So if you wanted to go up a little higher, you could put it up, or you can keep it just as it came. So I'm a little bit shorter, so I'm going to keep it like that. This does go in and out as well, so you can push the armrest forward or back and see how you like it. And the chair does lift and lower also, so you can kind of make it your height. You just press one button and it goes up, or it can go down. So it looks like it's really well made. It was actually very easy to put together. Took about 15 or 20 minutes. All of the tools that were needed were included with the chair. And now I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit, try it out at our desk, see how it works, and let you know. So this is the Odinlake Ergonomic office chair. It was super easy to put together. Everything you needed was included, pretty quick assembly, everything nicely labeled, and it looks like a really great sturdy chair.